Our trip started off by visiting Niagara Falls. There were a lot of people that day. Niagara Falls was beautiful and we enjoyed the view. The currents were very strong. This was our first time seeing a black squirrel. After visiting Niagara Falls, we then headed to New York City and visited the Twin Towers Memorial. We then explored around the city. Just take a look at these tall buildings. The streets were very busy. We were really amazed by this globe and the fact that it had animation. We then took a boat trip to visit the Statue of Liberty. Here's the view at the top of the boat. There it is, the Statue of Liberty. Here you can see the amazing view of tall buildings in New York City. After eating our snack, cassava cake, we then headed to Washington, D.C. Finally, we're here. Here's a view of the pencil. We also visited the Abraham Lincoln Memorial. After the trip, on our way home, we bought some wine to go with the bread that we later then baked. And that's Cebuanon the Explorer. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe.